If Blender is giving you error code 2203 during installation, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permission issue, and in most cases it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to get Blender installed again, plus the deeper fix if the normal method doesn't work. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, try the fastest solution. Right-click the Blender installer and choose Run as Administrator. If you see an install option, use that as well. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to write files properly. After that, restart your computer and try the installer again. If the error still appears, the next step is to re-download the Blender installer. A corrupted or incomplete download can trigger installation errors, so it's always worth getting a fresh copy directly from the official Blender website. Now let's go a little deeper. Error 2203 is commonly tied to permission problems with the Windows Temp folder, and that is exactly what we're going to check next. Open File Explorer and go to C:\Windows\temp. Once you're there, right-click the temp folder and open Properties. Go to the Security tab and look at your user permissions. If your account does not have full access, click Edit and give your user full control. Apply the changes and close the window. This step is important because the installer needs permission to create and extract temporary files while Blender is installing. If Windows is blocking that access, the setup process can fail with error 2203. Next, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for Command Prompt, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the elevated command window, run the Blender installer manually using msi-exec/i followed by the path to your Blender MSI file. This forces Windows installer to launch the setup with proper administrative rights. If the installer was being blocked by a permissions problem, this usually solves it. Also, make sure your antivirus or security software is not interfering with the install. Sometimes protection tools block access to temporary files or quarantine part of the installer, which can also cause this error. If needed, temporarily disable antivirus protection just long enough to complete the installation, then turn it back on right away. So to recap, Blender error code 2203 usually means Windows cannot access the temp folder or the installer is being blocked. The quickest fix is to run the installer as administrator, restart your system, and download a fresh installer. If that doesn't work, check the temp folder permissions and run the MSI from an admin command prompt. Those steps solve the issue in most cases. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.